Wado. Ukoko Uyono Urhobo, learn Urhobo language. Urhobo Uyono Urhobo is what learning. Now today we are going to learn 3-letter words in Urhobo. Ibiẹbe ibieta. Okay. So the first one we have order. Order means paint. Order, it means paint. Ofe, it means tilapia. Ofe, tilapia. Okay. Uko cup. Uko cup. Ovo 1. Ovo 1. Ive 2. Ene 4. Remember I said before that if you add the first vowel to the 2-letter words, you automatically have 3-letter words in Urhobo. For instance, we have da, de, di, do, do. And if you add all to the da, it becomes order, and we have fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. If you add all to fe, it becomes ofe. We have ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. If you add u to ko, it becomes uko, and we have va, ve, vi, vo. You add all to vo, it becomes ovo. Okay, we have again va, ve, vi, vo. You add e to ve, it becomes ive. You add na, ni, no. You add e to ne, na, ni, no. Okay, ne. It automatically becomes N, which is 4. Urhobo Uyono Urhobo is what learning. It is your responsibility to speak your language to your children. Why you Urhobo Urhobo Uyono Urhobo is what learning. Wado.